How to change Safari language on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can change Safari language on our iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change the language for the Safari app on your iPhone, you have to simply open up your settings application and simply go ahead and then look for the Safari application that you can find here. Once you look for the Safari app, you will see this type of interface where right here you can see language or preferred language. So currently it is set to English by default. If you would like to change it, tap on English, and now you can simply choose the language to any of the other languages. As soon as you select it, you can come back and reopen the Safari browser, and then the language for your Safari browser would have been successfully changed. This way you can go ahead and then basically change Safari language on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.